Struggling souls in adversity. Confronting helplessness. Moving forward with courage. Helplessness is the feeling of being trapped in a situation that seems impossible to change. A sentiment that everyone encounters at some point in life. A natural and normal human reaction when facing uncontrollable forces of nature, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, or wars. We feel powerless. These are situations we cannot avoid or alter, and when confronted, we experience a sense of helplessness. In the face of such natural and human disasters, we must rely on the assistance of others, as our individual strength appears minuscule. However, acknowledging helplessness doesn't mean surrendering to it. In situations beyond our control, we can choose how to accept and respond. In moments of helplessness, seeking support from others enables us to collectively confront challenges. Helplessness is not the end, it is a beginning. A brave first step towards change. While recognizing our limitations, we should also cultivate inner resilience and courage, because in the journey of life, helplessness is only a brief stop. With determination, we have the ability to move forward and embrace a brighter future.